Ever wondered how your love for gaming could be your gateway to becoming a cryptocurrency holder? It's not just a dream anymore. With the right strategy, tapping on your phone isn't just for points, it's for earning real crypto. Let's explore the fascinating three-step formula that's turning gamers into savvy crypto investors. First, let's talk about those Tapto Earn social games. Picture this. You're playing a Telegram mini app game, similar to the ones you already enjoy, but with a twist. Every tap can earn you points that hold real-world value. This is made possible thanks to Ton's innovative approach to engaging users through the mini app platform. Games like Notcoin and Catizen aren't just for entertainment, they're portals to the crypto universe. With the arrival of new users, it's not just gamers joining in. They're potential crypto enthusiasts being introduced to the basics of blockchain and cryptocurrency through a fun, interactive experience. Next comes converting gamers into crypto holders through a method known as token airdrops. As players accumulate points in these games, they're not just stacking up high scores. These points are potential tickets to owning cryptocurrency. When the game reaches a token generation event, these accrued points can be exchanged for actual crypto tokens. Think of it like those reward points you earn on a shopping app, but instead of buying merchandise, you're getting digital currency that can be used, saved, or invested. And the final step? Keeping these new crypto enthusiasts engaged through DeFi, or decentralized finance applications. After getting their first taste of crypto, users are guided to explore deeper into the world of DeFi. This isn't just about holding on to the tokens. It's about using them in various financial applications that grow their value and functionality. It's like stepping up from basic savings accounts to engaging with advanced investment opportunities in the finance world, all on digital platforms. By July 2024, the sheer scale of engagement was clear, with Telegram mini apps hitting 500 million monthly active users. Ton's approach didn't just spur momentary interest. It built a thriving community of engaged, active crypto users, demonstrating the power of blending gaming fun with serious financial potential. So there you have it, the three-step formula from tapping games to token airdrops and on to growing investments through DeFi apps. Ton is not just playing games, they're setting the stage for a whole new way to engage, earn, and invest in the digital age. Why play for points when you can play for crypto? Dive into the world of Ton and transform your gaming time into an investment opportunity. Enjoyed the breakdown? Hit that like button, share this video with your gaming buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of crypto and gaming.